Welcome. In this video, we will see as an exporter how you can download the traceability certificate from the system. Click on traceability icon on left side and click on the three dots. You can download the traceability certificate, Polygon files and invoice. But first you have to make the payment. You won't be able to download any of these without making the payment. For initiating the payment, click on Pay. You can see the fees on screen. Click on Pay Now and make the payment using the available payment options. Once the successful payment has been done, click on the three dots for downloading the recorded documents. Click on Polygon and click on Download GeoJSON. Now you have successfully downloaded the Polygon files. These files are ready to be uploaded in the EU portal. You can also download the payment invoice or the GST invoice. You can download the traceability certificate, which includes the due diligence statement as well as the other required information as per EUDR. Using the scanned QR code, you can also view the entire traceability up to the farm level. The GST invoice is visible on screen. Thank you for watching the video.